everyone, my name is Sarah from Pretty Providence, and I wanted to show you today how to make this adorable book banner. It's made out of miniature books. It's just cardstock and twine right here that you're seeing. It's perfect for a book-themed baby shower or really anything book-themed, any kind of party. I am using my Cricut Maker 3 to make this. The supplies that you'll need are a light grip mat, that's the light blue Cricut mat, cardstock in different colors. One of them should be white or ivory to make the book pages, and the other colors can be whatever you want. And then one of the more specific tools you'll need is this. This is a single scoring wheel. You'll need this to make the scoring marks with your Cricut machine, and that helps you fold the book into just perfect little pages. This is a ready-to-make project in Cricut Design Space, which means it's already designed for you. All you have to do is follow the instructions in Cricut Design Space. So step 1, you'll open the design in Design Space and gather your materials. Step 2, you will follow the directions and cut your design. And 3, you will assemble it. For assembly, you will need twine, a hole punch, and a hot glue gun. Okay, so you open the project in Design Space. You select the mat size and the materials you'll be using and make any adjustments you need to. Insert the single scoring wheel when prompted, and then load your mat. Continue to follow the prompts through Design Space when you need to switch tools, switch to the fine point blade, and then continue to cut your paper. Repeat the process to make as many books as you'd like. When you're finished cutting, you will fold 3 pieces of cream-colored paper accordion style. We'll use 3 pieces of cream-colored paper for each book. Then you will fold the book cover. And then you will use hot glue to glue it all together.
You'll use a simple hole punch to create a hole in the corner of each book. The final step is to string the books onto twine. And if you want to make it so that the books stay in the place that you want them to stay when they're hung up, you'll just add a little knot next to each hole.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Every view means a lot. If you like this, please subscribe for more Cricut tutorials to come. Next week, I'm going to be sharing the tutorial for this adorable sign. This was another ready-to-make project in Cricut Design Space. It was super easy. I did it a little differently than they did it though, so I will be sharing my tutorial next week as well. Thank you so much again, and have a great day.